Mr. Incredible sighted. Kill Mr. Incredible. Huh? Time to attack. Nice try. Oh no. Try to dodge this. Ha 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 ha. I can see you when I'm rolling. Oh, you wanna throw rocks? Let's throw rocks. You can run, but you can't hide. Throw target into lava. Kill Mr. Incredible. Kill Mr. Incredible. Did you think lava can kill me? Now, prepare to be sliced into pieces. You're not getting away from me that easily. Say goodnight. Ah, my claw. Hey, where are you? Come out, wherever you are. Ah, Mr. Disconnected. Hey, get out of my body right now. I'll get you. Malfunction. Grr, I've got you. Mr. Incredible found. Time to die.
It's bigger!
Kill Mr. Incredible. Kill Mr. Incredible.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's...
Oh no you don't. Time to decapitate you. Master, I almost had him. Come on.
Wasn't good enough!
Destination, Metroville. Mystery Metroville. Bug off. Your bullets are no match for me. Thanks for letting me borrow this. I have something for you civilians. Die. Huh? New superhero. I'm going to kill you. God, what the heck? I can't make... Oh. Ah, my arm. How is he stopping me? Dachimo, take this. And that. Oh, you're not getting away easily. Super's detected. I have you now. Ah, your force field is no match against me. Kill children. Grr, I had those little bugs. Gotcha, now goodbye. You better be dead in there. Uh-oh. Oh. Ah, too cold. Back off. Get out of my way. Come here. Your ice powers are too weak. Master, I almost had him. What? Oh no you don't. Ah, my other arm. Why you little? Come here. Huh? Hey kid, what do you think you're doing? You're not getting that remote. Get back here. Get back here right now, kid. Ah, bullseye. You're not going anywhere now. Shut up, you. Is that all you got? Oh. Huh? Grr. Alright, that's it. I'm coming for you. Cannonball. No you don't. Ha 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 ha. That remote is mine. Whoa. Ooh. What the? Hey, come back here. Uh-oh. You slippery, invisible girl. I'm gonna kill... That's it. I've had enough. It's time to end this. Wait, look. Oh. Malfunction. System not connected. Power core eliminated. System shutting down. Activate. Self-destruct.